Hello, good afternoon, guys. Beautiful afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Today, we're just going to spill the tea very quickly and shortly. Something incredible happened yesterday, and I wanted to share it with you guys and see if you guys could, take lessons out of it. Join in, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everything is going well with everyone. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the video was being streamed by my Facebook. Yeah, because interesting enough, I just got an update that StreamYard will not be recording. So anyway, yes, just wanted to be sure that the video was live on my Facebook page. Oh my gosh. And that's that's an emergency call from the school of my kids. So I have to quickly do this video and then call them back. Okay, guys. So yes, as I said, it's a very short and quick video. So something happened yesterday. The Hot Rep says hello. Hot Rep, thank you so much for joining. You're welcome. So the backlog in U.S. immigration is really is getting out of hand. It's incredible. So I just wanted to come on here and then let you guys know so that if you have an application that you need to file, you will do it ASAP as soon as possible, because otherwise you're going to be held up in a very long wait. So this specifically will be discussing like trying to obtain a B2 visa from Ghana and then coming to the US. Okay, so as at yesterday, so I booked a few appointments for some clients yesterday and during the week. Let's say yesterday, the latest one was yesterday, but during this week I booked a few B2 appointments helping some clients who want to actually go to the US embassy in Ghana, in Accra, and then come to the US on a B2 visa. And guys, it's just shocking. As at October 2021, the next appointment date that we got yesterday was I think it was March 2023. Yes, 16th March 2023. And there were about about maybe 23 slots or something. So that's about a 2-year wait. So some of these people, the thing is that sometimes when you want to travel, you think that, oh, okay, when I'm ready to travel, then I just go. But for example, if you want to travel in February, you should already have your visa. Otherwise, you're almost screwed. It's very, very difficult to actually try to get a visa to come to the US because there's just a crazy backlog. I mean, if you schedule an appointment today, you most likely are going to get somewhere in April 2023, not even April 2022, which is like a few months away or a year away. It's almost 2 years away. That's like almost 2 years, almost a year and a half away. So that's a very long time. So yeah, just to let you guys know, the backlog is crazy. I remember sometime in April 2021, also, I booked scheduled a couple of appointments for clients, and the dates that were available, the dates were in February 2022. At that time, that was just a 1-year period. That was just a few months ago. The wait was just 1 year. Now, just a few months later, the gap is now like almost 2 years. So it just keeps getting worse. So please, if you need to file, if you need to schedule an appointment to get a B2 visa or any type of visa, because of course it's the same people that are working at the embassies. So whatever type of visa you're trying to get, just make sure that you file it, you apply for it early and schedule an appointment on time. Okay. And then the next thing also is that, yes, you may be able to push the date forward if you have, based on some reasons like an emergency. I'm not sure if I've done a video on that, but maybe I'll do a video on how to expedite your B2 visa appointments. But otherwise, if you don't fall within the criteria for actually expediting the visa, then you have to wait for a very long time. So this is a time to make all your moves. If you intend to travel in 2023 or 2024, just start planning and then get it going, get it moving. Okay. So that's it. That's really all I came to spill. Like, just this crazy news. I was just shocked, guys. I haven't used this mug in a while, but yeah, still facts right there. So yes, the wait time is like really crazy. And I think yesterday I did do a video discussing the backlog also being phased because of the Afghanistan situation. Within 2 months, they've had over 20,000 applications just for humanitarian paroles. Meanwhile, in a typical year, they have an average of about 2,000. So things are just getting hugely backlogged. And a few hours ago, I've seen information floating around that DHS and some other U.S. immigration federal agencies are trying to hire. Well, it was DHS I saw. They're trying to hire for a number of roles. They critically need more hands on board. So if you're looking for a job, you can, of course, visit the DHS website, because they're looking for cybersecurity analysts, business operations, people to help with mission support, just a whole lot of roles, I guess, to help them deal with the backlog, because the backlog is crazy. So if you qualify for any type of U.S. immigration law applications, this is the time to apply. This is not the time to, okay, I'm thinking about it. Okay, because the longer you wait, remember, the longer the wait. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Just keeping it short and sweet. As I said, I have to run off. So if you have questions, comments, drop them in the video and I'll try to address them in my next video. I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow or soon. We'll see what happens. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care and be safe. Bye.